You've spent hours sewing a beautiful strapless top, only to realize it won't stay up, feels too loose, or just doesn't sit right. Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. The real issue is often in the pattern itself. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to draft a strapless top pattern that fits perfectly and stay in place. Let's get started. The biggest reason why strapless tops don't fit well comes down to two key factors: incorrect ease and ignoring dart modifications. The closer garment fits the body, the more these two elements matter. If the ease is too much, the top won't stay in place. If darts aren't properly adjusted, the shape won't follow the body's natural curves. This is why a well-balanced pattern is crucial. Let's break it down and fix these issues. Let's start by drawing a vertical line. On this line, we'll mark the side depth without any ease and the back length. Then we'll draw horizontal lines from these points. Next, on the bust line, we'll mark the back, side, and front width. For the back and side width, there is no ease, while for the front, we'll add 1 cm. When dividing the side width, use a 2:3 ratio. This measurement equals half the bust point distance. We'll draft the back neckline and shoulder now. Then we'll add guide points for shaping the armhole. Now, using point 8 as a center and the radius 8/17, draw an arc. From point 18, mark the front length, then locate the bust depth. Next, using point 20 as a center and the radius 19/20, draw another arc. From this point, measure back shoulder length minus 1 cm to intersect the arc from 19. With the basic framework in place, let's refine the shaping. We'll draw the front neckline and then move on to the shoulder dots. This dart is larger than usual to ensure a snug fit. For the waist darts, measure 1/4 waist circumference minus 1 cm from point 23. The remaining space in the front determines the front waist dart size. Then from this point, measure 1/2 waist circumference plus ease, which can go up to 1 cm. I usually don't add ease for sizes below 42, but for larger sizes I allow 0.5 to 1 cm. The extra width we get here needs to be distributed among the seams. I allocate 3 cm for the back princess seam, 2 cm for the neck seam, and 2.5 cm for the side seam. I'll write the limits in red for clarity. Since we didn't need shoulder lines for this strapless top, I haven't adjusted them. But if you plan to use this as a base for other designs, lower the front shoulder by 1 cm and raise the back shoulder by 1 cm to refine the feet. Now let's shape the final design. The key element here is adjusting the dart for the better fit. We'll take in 1 cm and then extend outward by 2 cm to reshape the princess seam. This adjustment enlarges the dart slightly for a more contoured fit. To achieve a snug strapless design, the back darts should be slightly enlarged. In the front, we'll add a slight curve to the underbust dart to enhance the fit against the body's natural shape. The hemline can also be slightly curved depending on the design. Now it's time to finalize the pattern pieces. Here I have 5 pieces for this top, but I could merge pieces 3 and 4 into one if needed. Having more sections allows for greater precision in shaping the garment to the body. And that's it! Now you have a strapless top pattern that actually fits, no more sleeping or awkward adjustments. I hope this tutorial helps you create your perfect strapless top. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had trouble with strapless garments before? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more pattern making tips. See you in the next one!